You ain't never seen this. Go with you, dog. Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, check this out. Check this out. Little game.
All right, guys, bring it in. Bring it in.
The motorcycle riders are idiots as always.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, y'all. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today we're going to 7-Eleven. No, not a joke. Yeah, we're going to 7-Eleven. Base Community is having a pop-up meet at 7-Eleven, and it might sound funny, but this is just a little glimpse of what it's looking like right now, and it's just getting started. Yeah, like, subscribe, tap in with your boy, and as always, let's see what they talking about. Let's get it, y'all. Hey, it's crazy. There's the first time for everything. I guarantee, no matter what city you live in, no matter what state you live in, you ain't ever seen this. You ever seen 2 7-Elevens across the street from each other? There's a 7-Eleven right there, right? Boom. Got you, right? But there's a street, 7-Eleven right here. How does that make sense? You got one, you got two. Is this street so busy? Is there so much money on this corner that, like, let's just put two? You ever seen, like, let's say there's a Walmart. You ever seen a Walmart on one side of the street, you look across, there's another one? That don't make sense.
That makes no sense.
But I don't know, I guess it does over here. It is what it is. I mean, I never seen that before. So with you, dog. Good to see you. Good to see you. Oh yeah. Hey, I know you guys can't tell, but it is dumb cold and it's dumb windy out here right now, man. You'll notice this. Look at everybody that you see. Everybody, if people ain't wearing a hoodie or a jacket or something, they crazy. But yeah, everybody's over here hoodied out, homie. Yeah. You already know. Check this out, little game. Pretty much, if you can hang from this bar, just free hanging, for 100 seconds, you can win $200. Watch this.
You don't want to give it away, but you gotta hang 100 seconds, right? The bar does move. That's probably gonna feel so good getting all like on Instagram, guys. The bar does move. All right, I can't stress enough. Once you move, that bar moves with you. But it's possible, guys. 100 seconds, 200 cash. We got Ryan at a minute 10 left. Let's give it up for Ryan one more time.
Hanging.
Let's go, Ryan. A minute left. Don't worry about that time, though, all right? Worry about that money. $200 cash. Just one more time. All right? 100 seconds. $200 cash on the line. Guys, I got some money to give away tonight.
I don't know. Getting close. Getting close.
Early, 40 seconds left. Give it up for Ryan one more time. All right, this is fresh out right here, fourth quarter. Let's go, Ryan. Don't drop on me right here. No. Don't drop on me, Ryan.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Ryan. You're really fine.
20 seconds, I told you. My hands gave out. I was good. that side. But yes, if it wasn't cold, I would have had it, bro.
Damn, I almost did it with like, what, 26, 30 seconds to spare? Man, oh, got the kettle burned out. Yeah. If you haven't done so yet, man, like and subscribe. Like I said, who knows where I'll be next, and I'm always gonna bring you guys something different. If it's not different, most definitely it's gonna be interesting and entertaining. Yeah, but, damn, choked on my spit, almost died. Y'all was just gonna let it happen. I swear, dude, you can't go anywhere, even if it's a sanctioned and known meet to where they make all the proper permits and stuff. The police are always gonna show up and mess with you, man. See, like obviously you can see all the police lights. Nah, it's a car wash. Yeah. Me? See me right here? Yeah, I'm stupid. Just know that. Hope you enjoy it. It's a police car. Whatever, man. It's cold out here and I'm going crazy. Yeah, you got a little bit of everything, man. You got the bikes. You got the bikes right here. You know what I'm saying? You got the Ferraris and Vipers over there. Beamers. You got Mercedes, Vets, but you also got quads. Yeah. Car meets and pop-ups, nobody discriminates. You got quads in there. You know what I mean? And there goes, well, it's dark back there, but there's a whole nother section back there where it's dark and more cars, and everybody's just chilling, man. Everybody's just kind of kicking it, trying to stay warm. Everybody's respecting all the cars. Nobody's bumping in anything, leaning on anything. Everybody's chilling. Just, you know what I mean? And that's what's dope is that like even the cops are outside. They ain't even tripping. You know what I mean? They're kind of like parked, watching everybody. You know what I mean? Watching everybody's car, just making sure that nobody starts doing no revving and burnouts and no takeover BS. You know what I mean? But that's what's cool. Everybody gets together, bring the cars, network, have fun, and then roll out. Keep it moving. That's what it's about. No extra shit.
Any girl early morning there? Crazy. I have a girlfriend, guys. Sorry. No face, no case. Crispy! Where's Crispy?
Right here, Crispy.
Crispy! Yo!
You got your born?
I got you right there. You guys hear me? Be right there.
Pardon me.
Crispy line! Crispy!
Yo. All right, guys, bring it in. We're gonna do a slap box. We're starting off big to win this prize. We need 2 people. Oh, we got one already.
Hey, man. They're gonna start slap boxing for this cooler right here.
The winner is gonna get this brand new Modelo Angels Ice Box. This retails for $230. Brand new.
Oh, shit. Who said $100?
I can't go against him, bro. No, that ain't right. I ain't gonna do him like that. I'll pass on the 100 to save him. Hey, bring one this way! Right here!
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! No, I'm just kidding. Hey, yo!
Man, you guys already know. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, always in the mix. Always around and always seen with these streets and these shows to talk about. All right, y'all. I'm about to head out right now. The show is still going on, but I'm gonna get a head start and get up out of here. It was dope, dude. Like, it wasn't the average, episode in terms of like car shows, but pop-up meets are dope. And like I said, 7-Eleven knew exactly what was going on. They okayed it. They didn't just show up and just take over this gas station or anything like that. They're getting a lot of business. The police are being cool, you know what I mean? Motorcycle riders are idiots as always. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Like I said, it's cold, it's getting dark. I love you guys, man. Appreciate all you always tapping in and seeing what I have going on. If you haven't done so yet, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, TikTok at Import Life Media. I don't know, let's think about a cool word of advice, man. I don't know, man. Just be the best version of yourself. It sounds easy, it sounds kind of cliche, but at the end of the day, if you become a better you, you win. You know what I mean? You have nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Go out there, be dope, support each other, be positive, and as always, get those cars built. All right, y'all.